In this video, we'll look at the resources you can use to learn more about ServiceNow, including documentation, support, the community, and more. Linked timecodes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. Let's start at the ServiceNow website. Here, you can learn more about the ServiceNow products and explore solutions to common problems, by use case or by industry. Find out about the benefits of the ServiceNow platform and try a demo. Access resources to help you plan, deploy, optimize, and extend your ServiceNow instance. And explore other resources, including the annual ServiceNow Knowledge Conference. Links at the bottom of each page lead to information about ServiceNow and our partners, more resources, support and services, and social media. Many of these links are also available from the banner menu. Let's take a closer look at some of these key resources, starting with product documentation. Here you can select the applicable version and choose a category, or search for a specific topic. Now let's look at the support options available on the Customer Support Portal, also known as HI. You'll need a HI account to log in. Here on HI, you can use the search field to search multiple resources, product documentation, knowledge base, community, and more. If you can't find the answer in the search results, the Get Help page provides links to self-service support resources, as well as options to ask a question in the community or open a case. Choosing Ask a Question, we can see the average time to receive a correct answer on the community is much shorter than the time needed to resolve a question case on HI, and you can post directly from HI to the community. Remember to log out when you're done. What is the community? It's an interactive space for customers, partners, and employees to engage, connect, collaborate, and share their knowledge of ServiceNow products and services. There's even a forum for developers. You can access ServiceNow corporate social media resources on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook via these links. For example, here on the ServiceNow LinkedIn page, you'll find links to showcase pages, recent updates, and more. Now let's look at support options on social media. Within the ServiceNow LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube channels, you can access Now Support, which provides links to troubleshooting, updates, videos, and other information to keep your ServiceNow instances running smoothly. For example, Now Support on YouTube offers individual videos and playlists of videos organized by category. Here's an easy way to always get the latest updates. Follow or subscribe to all the Now Support channels. Interested in becoming a ServiceNow partner? Your organization can resell, build, integrate, and implement solutions that extend the capabilities of our platform and provide training to our mutual customers. Or find an existing ServiceNow partner to extend the value of your ServiceNow investment. Want to learn more? Training and certification offers many options, including role-based learning paths and flexible courses through our subscription-based learning library. You can get training and certification on ServiceNow products directly from us or through ServiceNow authorized training partners. Want to challenge yourself even more and learn how to build your own applications for the ServiceNow platform? The Developer Portal provides self-paced and instructor-led training, documentation, and the Application Program Interface, or API, and more. Not sure where to start? Check out the ServiceNow Store to see what other companies have developed and get inspired. Need an app right away? You can purchase certified, ready-to-deploy apps right here. Federal USG customers can request apps by reaching out to their account managers. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community. For cost-effective training solutions, contact ServiceNow Training and Certification.